Well, my buddies and best, welcome to this new strategy video. And also, I welcome you to on my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to share a good strategy which is going to change your mind about spike trading. How to do it? Simply, this is very simple strategy. You just need to understand this concept. First of all, you will see this is about spike. Okay, a first spike is dropped, a sell spike. So then one more spike is like this dropped. Okay, and after it one more spike dropped without a gap. Okay, here you guys can see these are three spikes immediately dropped. Okay, in case when you see this type of move on your chart, it means there will be more candle, more spikes in same direction. Let me show you an example so you guys understand it well better. So here you people see these are the three spikes. Let me highlight the area to show you. Here you guys can see these are the three spikes immediately dropped in the same row. This is the first one, and after 1 minute this is the second one, and with 1 minute gap there is one more. And look here, these three spikes immediately dropped in a row. So this is the strategy. You need to understand it well. It's really very easy, simple and powerful. How to open your trade? When you see the third spike here, this third spike, when you see this third spike appeared, immediately go and sell and crush and buy and boom. Okay, here will be your entry. You open your trade at this point. Okay, buddies, and after opening your trade you must need to have stop loss, and your stop loss will be at the top of first candle, first spike. Okay, at the top of first spike, here will be your stop loss, and hold your trade till it come in profit, and check it out. After some bullish move, market went straight in your direction. Hope you guys have seen this. Okay, each time you see three candles drop in a row, simply go open a trade after third spike immediately at this point, and hold your trade with stop loss. Here will be your stop loss. This is the simple and powerful strategy. Let me show you another example. If we found here, you can check on all boom and crash pairs. Okay, buddies, and there are some condition. These three candles must be on somewhere on top or in bottom, on support and resistance. Okay, if it appear in middle, it have no power. If it appear with a big gap like 2 or 3 candles, okay, like this, then it's not good. We must need one candle, no more than this. If the gap is bigger than one candle, then it's not good. Let's move on crush 300. Let me show you another example. Here you buddies and best see. Let me show you. Here you guys can see it's a live example. One more trade here. Check it out. These are the three spikes immediately dropped one by one. There's no a single candle of bullish. Check it out. The first one, the second one, and here's the third one. And we enter immediately at this point and look at two multiple spikes. Our stop loss was there on this point, and these two spikes, and again we are in profit. Okay, so stop loss is necessary. Always use the stop loss if you want to use this strategy. If one spike is appeared, a second appeared, then third one is after some candles. Look here, it's in middle. This is in middle. Have no power. This one have no power. Because we need a top or at bottom. Not like this. Check it out. This is on top. Three candles, you enter your trade here and you went in profit. Everybody see? You set your stop loss as we guide here in this video. And check the previous one from top. The first candle appeared, second one, the third one. Immediately you open your trade and check it out. It's went in profit. If you want to hold, check it out. This is your stop loss and straight it went in profit. This is how actually it works. There are a lot of more examples I can show you. So I'm sure you guys understood something. Okay, it's very easy, simple and powerful strategy. You just need to follow. It must be on somewhere on top or somewhere on bottom. Check it out, guys. These are the three on top. Three candles immediately dropped. You open your trade and straight it went in multiple spikes and went in profit. This is how it actually it work. It's really powerful and profitable setup. Okay, buddies. I'm sure you guys understood. Is there any question you guys may type in comment section? We're here to answer your all of questions. I can show you on boom. Let me check out the example for you buddies. It must be on somewhere in bottom or in top. If it's not in bottom or top, check it out guys. This is about example. After a big sell, we found three candles here. The first spike appeared. The first spike appeared after 1 minute. Second one, the third one, we open our trade here at this point, stop loss at this point, and check it out. It went where? Okay, so this is the power of this strategy. Very simple, very neat and clean. You need to understand it well, and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share with others to gain more knowledge. Thank you.